Regulatory requirements in the medical device industry are demanding, and so is the effort involved in finding suitable components. This is exactly where Kendrion's Pure Flow Pressure Regulator 48.3 comes in.
Developed for low flow rates, sensitive applications and compact integration. For example, in ventilators, dialysis machines or analytical devices. Trusted pressure control for tomorrow's medical technology. Precise regulation for gases and fluids, developed for demanding medical applications and prepared for rising requirements in safety, materials and documentation.
Kendrion is your strategic partner and supports you in finding the right product for your application. Precise pressure control. MDR ready by design.
Want to learn more? Get in touch with us.